In the fast-paced world of web development, one technology has consistently stood out: React.js. Today, we're diving into the next big thing in React.js and how TechieShubhDeep IT Solutions PVT Ltd is leading the way in harnessing its power. TechieShubhDeep IT Solutions PVT Ltd, a dynamic tech company, offers a range of services. From cutting-edge web and mobile app development to stunning UI/UX design and e-commerce solutions, they've got you covered. Now, let's talk about the exciting future of React.js. With features like React Server Components, Concurrent Mode, and Suspense for data fetching, React.js is set to revolutionize web development. At TechieShubhDeep IT Solutions, we are not just keeping up, we are leading the way. Our expert team is at the forefront of React.js development, ensuring you get the best of what's to come. Stay ahead with React.js. Contact TechieShubhDeep IT Solutions PVT Ltd today at +9 18305233223 or email info@techiesgroup.co.in. Visit www.techiesgroup.co.in to learn more.